OnePass is a special search which gathers every available episode of a series, whether it's from a streaming app, live TV, or on demand. The results are then added to your My Shows list to watch whenever you're ready. If an episode isn't available on TV, OnePass fills in the gaps with episodes from streaming apps you subscribe to, like Netflix. You'll no longer need to know when a show will be airing or which streaming service has it available. Fision TV Plus does it for you. To create a OnePass, search for the series you want, select the show from the results, then select Get This Show, and select Create OnePass. Choose the OnePass options you'd like to use for that series. You'll be able to decide if you want to include episodes from streaming apps, choose which seasons to include, whether to include episodes that would need to be bought, and several other options. Make sure to choose how many episodes you'd like to keep, and if it's a live sports event, you might want to add time to the recording. You can always modify options for a OnePass by navigating to the main menu and choosing the OnePass Manager. Just be sure to select Use these OnePass options to keep your changes. And OnePass is also a great way to make sure you record all the games or matches from your favorite sports leagues and teams. To find out more about other methods for setting recordings and accessing all the features of your Fision TV Plus DVR, watch the Fision TV Plus DVR help video available on demand and in the help section on GetHotWired.com.